Untangling the Mystery. Fixing Dangling Relative Clauses. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting session where we delve into the wonders of the English language. Today, we're going to tackle a common challenge many language learners face: dangling relative clauses. It sounds complicated, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what they are, why they're problematic, and most importantly, how to fix them. Firstly, we need to refresh our understanding of relative clauses. Relative clauses are parts of sentences that describe or give more information about a noun. They are introduced by a relative pronoun, like who, which, or that. For example, in the sentence, "The book that you gave me is interesting," "that you gave me" is a relative clause describing the book. Now that we've refreshed our memory on relative clauses, let's move to the heart of our topic: dangling relative clauses. A dangling relative clause occurs when the noun that the relative clause is supposed to modify is either missing or unclear. In simple terms, the clause is dangling because it isn't attached to the noun it's supposed to be describing. For instance, while sitting on the bench, a bird flew by. In this sentence, it seems as though the bird is doing the sitting, which doesn't make sense. Spotting dangling relative clauses can be tricky, but here's a tip. Look for relative clauses where the action doesn't logically match the noun it's attached to, as in our previous example. If the sentence feels confusing or just off, it might contain a dangling clause. Now, let's talk about fixing these dangling relative clauses. There are two primary methods. 1. Reword the sentence. You can change the structure of the sentence so that the relative clause is clearly attached to the right noun. In our previous example, you could say, "While I was sitting on the bench, a bird flew by." 2. Introduce a noun. If it's clear what the missing noun should be, you can introduce it directly. Consider the sentence, "Which is why I decided to leave." Here, it's not clear what "which" refers to. If we're talking about a bad experience at a party, we could correct the sentence by saying, "The party was terrible, which is why I decided to leave." And that's it, folks. We've unraveled the mystery of dangling relative clauses. I hope this video has made them less daunting and more manageable. Keep practicing what you've learned today, and before you know it, you'll be fixing dangling relative clauses like a pro. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep going, and you'll get there. Happy learning, everyone!